Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender. We've got a door that's first step is a doozy. There's no stairs here. We're gonna put some here and I'm gonna take you through it step by step. I'm gonna show you how. Let's get to it. So the first thing we're gonna do is decide how many steps that we're gonna need on our stringer. I'm gonna measure up to the threshold height here. I've got 25 inches. Now a riser is 6.5 inches tall. That is the vertical part of the stair. So if we need a 25-inch finished height, we're gonna need 4 stair treads. Now I picked these up at the depot. Now these are gonna go onto this band just like so. We've got 4 of them. Now if you need more than 4, they sell 3s, 4s, 5s, and whatever. If you need more or a specific number, you can always take this little guy from the hardware store, lay out a 2x12, and then trace it right there at the store and get the one you need, and that way you can cut it when you get home and you already have it measured out. So I got a little bit of a deck board still here under my sill that we're gonna need to chip out. But what I'm gonna do is level the stairs. I'm gonna take and draw a level line across this, just so I know that my stairs are gonna be level. All right, this plate is pretty good, so we're gonna go with it. I'm gonna take a chisel and I'm gonna go with the grain here to get this board out. I've got 36 inches as my complete width. Now stringers are typically 16 inches apart, so we're gonna lay them only 16 inches apart. I'm not gonna go all the way to the edge of my sides because I don't want them to be greater than 16 inches. Now I'm gonna take my first joist and I'm gonna set it up here where my stair height is going to be. And then I'm gonna toenail a deck screw in there to hold it at the height where I need it. Now I'm gonna take my joist hanger and I'm gonna slide it in and screw it off. Now that we got it in position, I'm gonna nail off the joist hanger with these joist hanger nails. And then these guys go and then at an angle to kind of toenail it in. Now I'm going to cut deck boards as the treads and I'm going to let them hang over about 1 inch on each side. Now I'm going to screw them off with 2-inch deck screws. All right, now depending on your state codes, mine is 24 inches. Anything greater than a 24-inch height has to have a handrail. So we're gonna put a simple 4x4, 2x4 handrail here. I've got a hole dug about 16 inches deep. I'm gonna put this guy in. I'm gonna measure from the stair up about 34.5 inches so I can have a finished handrail height of 36. All right, now we're gonna set our post in some concrete. I like to pour a little bit of water in the hole first. Get the concrete all around the sides of the post. Go ahead and fill it up because we want this to support a fat guy if he's gonna fall. All right, a little bit more water. Stomp that in, get a level on it. Make sure our post is plumb. And when it is, go ahead and step that into place. All right, now I got the top of my post cut off at 30-degree angle because that's typically the angle that stairs go up. All right, finished handrail height over here is about 37 inches. So I'm gonna wanna go from the front of the top tread and make sure we're about 37 inches as well. It's a little low. 37 right on the money. So that's it, super easy. We just rocked that exterior staircase where there were no stairs before, and now you can tackle your stair project. I'm super gross, I'm gonna need to go find a swimming pool. So for the Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.